Hello and welcome once again, and today we will be learning the locators using the name tag. So how we can do that? We have to identify the locator using the name tag using our protector automation testing code. So in the last class we have done how we can do it with the ID. In this session we will cover how we can do with the name. The same website I will be using, demo.studysample.in. This is the website which I use to do automation testing, and I have created this website for the automation aspirants who want to practice automation can use this website. This is mainly developed for the automation purpose. So if you go to this website and if you click on the inspect element and say in the autocomplete form, I want to, in the country I want to give a name, say India. If you check the inspect element, on doing the inspect element, this blue line comes in which highlights this area of the action, and inside that we have the ID called my input and also a name called my country. We can do with the ID, but in the last class we have shown how to do with the ID. Now in this class we will show how to do with the name. So we will be using my country, which is inside the name tag, using automation protector testing. So the thing is the very simple element by.name, and you have to pass this value my country here and paste it here. And as it is a send keys operation, you are writing something, that means it is a send keys operation, and inside that you have to write India. So it will just write India after executing this line. Okay, so write that by name and ID. Fine. Give a small browser.slip so that we can see what it is doing actually. Just copy this line, paste it here, and give us a run. The run is very simple. npm test. It will open the Google Chrome. It will go to the website. It will do the first operation, that means email and pass the value of the email, and the second it will go to the autocomplete form and write the India. So as you can see, the website is opened. The target area is the email. It has put the data. Now in the autocomplete form it has put India. Okay, so we are done with this, and we can already shown you how to deal with protector locators using ID and name.